Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Today, we will learn about yourself. What are the questions about yourself? Let's start. I will say the words, you listen and repeat after me, okay? Okay, look at this question. This is so easy, okay? What is your name? So you look at this and we will know how to answer this question, okay? You have here the answer, okay? My name is. How did you get this answer? Okay, so you have here your. That's why you need to listen. If you see or you hear your, then the answer is what? My, okay? And then the following word, you just copy that one. My name. And then you copy this is. So you have my name is. And then you tell what is your name. So you have what. So you have to answer this, okay? In my case, okay, if you ask me question, what is your name? My name is Glean. Okay, now look at this as well. Who are you? So you have three words here, okay? Who are you? So how to answer? So you have here, I am Glean, okay? So to answer this one, you need to understand and remember that you is answerable with I. And then you have R here, then you just say am. I am. And then you tell your name as well. I am Glean. Do you understand? Okay, good. Now, what are the kinds of names? You know, in other countries, especially in the English-speaking countries, we have 3 or 4 names, okay? So we will know that today. We have, for example, my name, okay? You have Glean Barredo Pestano. So you have first name. So this is my first name, Glean. Glean is my first name. Okay, how about this one? Middle name. Middle name. So Barredo is my middle name. Okay, do you understand that? Okay, so you have Barredo is my middle name. Middle at the center. Okay, middle name. Okay, how about this one? This is what we call surname. Surname or last name. Surname or last name. So they are just the same, okay? So Pestano is my surname or last name. Okay, there's another one. You have here, okay? You have nickname. Okay, this is nickname. Sometimes your friend calls you. This is shorter or somewhat that and other than your first name. Or sometimes you just use your first name as your surname. Okay, so we have 4, okay, kinds of name. First name, middle name, surname or last name, and nickname. Okay, remember? Okay, now questions about yourself. What are the questions about yourself? Okay, number one, who are you? So your answer is, I am, and then you tell your name. Okay. Number two, what is your surname? Again, what is your surname? My surname is, my surname is, so you tell your surname. Okay, what is your nickname? What is your nickname? Okay, the answer is, my nickname is, okay, so your friend calls you, like my nickname is Noy. Okay, so what is your nickname? My nickname is, okay, very good. Now, number four, how old are you? How old are you? Remember that you thought, what is the answer for you? You have, I am, okay? I am 8 years old. I am 9 years old, okay? Okay, number five and the last, okay? Where do you live? Where do you live? Okay, where do you live? Okay, so the answer to this one is, I live in, where do you live? Okay, I live in Nakhon Pathom. Okay, I live in Nakhon Pathom. Okay, so those are 5 questions about yourself. Okay, now I want you to record, introduce yourself in a video clip. So you have only 5 sentences, okay? Okay, so you have, number one, you say, I am, and then you tell your name. My surname is, you tell your surname or last name, okay? My nickname is, so you will tell your nickname. I am, this is how old are you, okay? So you tell how old are you. I am 9 years old, okay? And then the last is, I live in Nakhon Pathom. I live in Nakhon Pathom. Again, okay? Again, let's say, I am, okay. My surname is, my nickname is, I am years old. I live in Nakhon Pathom. Okay? I hope you can make a video clip, a short video clip, okay? You introduce yourself. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. Goodbye. See you again.